Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. With less than 10,000 miles on the odometer, this is a technologically advanced vehicle for the sport-inclined driving enthusiast. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by a tachometer, a trip computer, heated seats, skid plates, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.